And welcome back. This is Kelly Hollins here with another video. So, ain't that much going on, to be honest. But I officially start today. Today's day one of day one of 75. I'll start my challenge today. And I'm excited to see what all I'm going to go forth on. I'm excited what I'm going to see I'm going to do, if that makes sense. Kind of doesn't, but I'll go with it. So, it's cold outside. It's 44 degrees now. Ooh, excuse me. Yesterday it was 78 and raining. Now it is 44 and windy and cold. This weather has gone insane and crazy. But I'm pretty much used to it. So, yesterday I did my taxes. I got one more thing to check, then I'll be okay. But I hate taxes. Okay. I hate taxes. I mean, I kind of enjoy them because unless you're getting a refund, of course you're going to afford the tax season. But if you're like me and you got to pay back, that's the kicker. But then I was looking up because I was going to be a little tight. I won't be as tight, but I'm be kind of a little bit tight. But I'm going to pay the state first because... So I said, because I had to move back. One of my plans, I literally had to move back. So, this month I'm going to have to go ahead and just suck it up and pay it off this month. Because if I pay it off, if I wait, it's going to be But I'm going to go ahead and pay that off. And just be done with it. Just pay my taxes and be done. So, I'm going to do that. This weekend, I don't know what I'm going to do. But, yeah, if it wasn't for paying it back, I hate paying back. I really, really do. Because it kills me. I'm just like, because altogether it's $906 altogether. Which y'all pay back, I don't mind it. But it is going to kick me in my ass. Like literally. I'll make it. Don't get me wrong. I mean, that's the whole purpose. But I just gotta pay it back and start sucking it up. Anyway. Anyway. I thought about, because I was listening to a live panel last night over Real Housewives of Potomac. I need to watch Potomac. It sounds interesting. See, I should have watched it when it first came out. Now they're saying it's boring. I was like, crap. I wait until it gets boring and horrible to even try to watch it. But, it's just like, why? Because I heard two of them are leaving. Candace is leaving, and then Robin Dixon got fired. That name sounds like... Anyway, Robin Dixon got fired, and the other girl, Candace left. And I guess and another thing is people aren't watching reality TV anymore. I stopped watching reality TV back in 2010 or 11. And it hasn't been the same since. I haven't been missing anything, to be honest. And that's when I was heavy on Tumblr, too. And the only thing, if I want to watch a TV show, I could watch it on Tumblr back then. Now, I don't even go on Tumblr anymore. Tumblr isn't... it went downhill a lot. I think after they changed their blog button, I just stopped getting on there. I think I stopped getting on Tumblr around 2016. Yeah, 2016. After that, I just stopped going on Tumblr. So, yeah. I don't be on Tumblr anymore. I mean, I loved Tumblr at first, because they had a lot of art stuff and a lot of different things that I liked on there. But speaking of art, I went back on Temu, and I bought me some more, because I bought one already. I've been trying to figure out the sizes of those journals, and I finally figured out the sizes of them. So A5 is, I got one that's A5 now. I got 3 A5 notebooks. No, 4. No, wait, hold on. 3. I bought 3 A5 notebooks. They're the medium size, the small notebooks. What's the other one called? There's A5. B5 is like the ones I get now. B5 is kind of bigger. It's the size, it's almost the size of a composition notebook. And then there is A4, which is like the bigger, it's like the size of a magazine. So I finally buckled down, and I bought 2 of them. I bought 2 B5 notebooks. So I am really, really excited, because after I do the scrapbook I'm doing now, I am going to do one of the other one, the big one. Start working on that one, journal. Because mainly my goal is to get at least, because I got through one now, to get at least the scrapbook or do a journal, at least 3 of them at the most. Because I got one done now, so I got 2 more to go. So, gonna work on that. Because I'm kind of excited to start back journaling again. I really am. It takes my mind off everything. So, because mainly the journals that I do is, to be honest, I don't know what you even call them. Me personally, I either call it scrapbooking or art journal. To be honest, it's kind of like mixed media. So I basically call it just an art journal. So I've been doing those since I got some journals as far back as 2009. So I've been doing it just about 14, 15 years. Yeah, close to 14 years. So, and scrapbooking I've been doing since my college years. Like, I really started doing it in my college years just to calm myself down. Also looking at, because I did to lose weight, and I would gather a lot of inspiration of what I'm going to do, or what styles I'm going to try next. So that's what I've really been looking into, because I know in the fall, I was just going to redo my my whole weight loss thing. Make out some goals, because I'm going to do 10 pounds a month until October. And then I know by October, by then, hold on, maybe if I like, by then, I would have probably lost, see, my goal in the next 7 months is to lose 70 pounds. But then the rest of the year, my main goal for this whole year is to get down at least 85 pounds. Because I am determined I'm going to do a half marathon next year. When I turn 33. That's my main goal. Yeah, it's my main goal, to be honest. What's going on up there? Okay, so anyway, that's my main goal. and I'm excited for it. So if I did it right, my whole calculation thing, I want to lose 2 pounds this month. Then by October 1st, I should be down. But then again, it also depends on what I'm doing, because usually over the summer, especially over the summer, I lose a lot of weight. I say at least 20, 25, close to 30 pounds over the summer, the whole summer. Because I'll be working out. I will be doing a lot of yard work. So that's my main goal, trying to figure out what can I do. So then again, it depends on what I do. So anyway, oh, another thing, RSVP will be out this week. It's supposed to come out on Thursday, but so watch out for that, because the actor is gonna kill me. But hey, I'll take it any day, because I got nothing else to watch, to be honest. Then what else? Because this month is RSVP. Then next month is going to be Interview with the Vampire, because that comes back on, and I need something to watch, because ain't nothing been on that's entertaining to me. So keep a lookout for that. What else? That is basically it. Well, so look out for this week. Going to be RSVP. Then this weekend, we're going to do 2 Tubi movies, finally, because I remember them. Because I just remembered them. Yeah. So, yeah, keep a lookout for that. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I got a lot to talk about, to be honest, because my weekend was just, because I did a weekend chat on both days, so that'll pretty much catch you up on everything. Speaking of which, on Saturday, we're going to do that game, because I'm just as confused, because we got to the part where we got past the gate. Now we need to get to the side of the gate. If we figure all that out, we'll be okay. So yeah. Anyway, that's pretty much all I have. I will see you guys tomorrow. Either in the morning or night. Probably gonna be at night. I will talk to you guys later. Thanks and bye-bye. Be careful.